Well, here I am again. I think it's only been maybe 3 weeks or so since I replaced the brake pads on the girl truck, 2009 Dodge Dakota. If you remember from that video, the driver's side brake pad was worn out and the one on the passenger side was only halfway. The calipers seemed free, dual piston calipers, when I pulled the pads off. And once I got everything back together, there was no dragging. Well, fast forward a few weeks and I had a hot brake. So no damage done to the new pads or the new rotors, which is good. So I ordered these PowerStop dual piston calipers. Got them installed. On this one, when I was taking out the lower caliper bolt, my dumbass had my Milwaukee impact in the tightening position instead of the loosening position. So for the mounting bracket bolt, just a tap of the trigger snapped it right off. So that short little job turned into an overnight job. This is the Dorman part number from O'Reilly's, because they were the only folks that could get it to me 10 o'clock the next day when I ordered it online. So all that's left is just to bleed the brakes. I will upload this video to hopefully teach you that if you suspect a bad caliper, save yourself the time and energy and just replace the damn thing. So I hope everybody has a good day. I'll leave some links in the description. This Mityvac for bleeding brakes, I believe that is an absolute marriage saver over having your spouse pumping the brakes. Works very well. Always start the furthest away from the master cylinder and work your way up front. Anyway, let me finish this up and get the wheels back on and have a cold one. Take care. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't. Have a good day.